What's up everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. It's getting pretty hot out here in Southern California, so today I'm going to be asking people if they give me a glass of water. First person to say yes is going to get $100. Let's get to it.
Hi, I'm so sorry to bother you. Is there any way you'll be able to get me a water while you're in there? It's okay if not.
You want me to ask them for a water?
That'd be wonderful. Thank you so much. Great, thank you, thank you.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Thank you so much. So I'm actually shooting a show for Dherbs, and we're trying to see if people are going to be doing kind gestures for us. And so for that, I want to reward you with $100.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and real quickly, I just want to ask, like, why did you decide to get me the water?
Did you ask for this water?
Yeah.
This is exciting.
And also, so we are filming you over here, if that's all right with you.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, perfect.
Anything for $100.
Absolutely, I feel that.
Here we go.
Thank you, Dherbs.